We want Nigerians, the insuring public, to appreciate insurance, because insurance is the only business that exists for other businesses to thrive. We are taking it to that stage where Nigerians will appreciate the value of insurance. And I want to say that we are trying as much as possible to educate the public so that they will know that insurance is important. Without so, insurance has been the last on the priority list of Nigeria, because we believe insurance don't factor. But I want to assure Nigerians and the insurance public that was then, not now. And basically, it was because of the failure of operators at that time for not settling claims as at Wednesday. But now, presently in the industry, we have the below the wages policy in place, and there is no more blanket of fraud in the industry, because information is available for the insuring public to know what to do in case of failure of any insurance company in settling the claims. Nigerians, they are not aware that insurance is important to the survival of their businesses. Ignorance. And if I may say this, do you know that this third-party insurance, it has benefits, but Nigerians don't know. They just believe, let me just take the third-party motor insurance and go my way, take the way that I will show them. But do you know that it has benefits? And we call it third-party insurance because it takes care of the damage to third-party property or vehicle. It will not pay for the damage done to the insured vehicle, but to the third party. And I still see our people, that is why I say ignorant is also there, exchanging blows on the street. And yet, two vehicles are in possession of their third-party motor insurance. The only thing they need to do is to call the insurance company. And that third-party motor should be taken to that insurance company and they will arrange to replace. Simple. At times when I see them on the road, I stop to educate them. They say, oh. So the insurance company will answer them. I say, of course! Why did you pay for insurance when you don't even know the value? You know, so that is ignorance. And again, religious belief is not my portion. Whose portion? Accidents can happen anytime. Nobody prays for it. But it can happen. But when you have a shoulder to rest on when it happens, and that is what insurance does. When you have that insurance in place, you have peace of mind, because you know that you have a place to run to when there is a problem. For example, look at our markets all over Nigeria. In the last 1 week, I've heard about not less than 3 serious inferno in our market. Ask them, you do insurance? The answer is no. Now they will now be shouting to state government, come and help us, federal government, NEMA. Whereas if there is insurance in place, they have to perform. Because now, what we in our sector, the insurance broking sector, what we are now trying to educate the public about is, when you want to purchase insurance, consult your registered insurance brokers. When there's any problem, just call your broker. You will take it off from there. This morning, he called me from Kano. Somebody who insured his truck. The truck was involved in a serious accident. And this weekend, I've taken action. I called the branch manager in Kano. This is a weekend. And he said he will go there straight away to go and snap it. And then take it off from there. That is insurance. So we need to change the wrong perception of our people. All these things with technology, they have their websites. The insurance companies have websites. Before you patronize any insurance company, go and Google it and check whether the insurance company is registered. You check. And then you go to NICOM website too to check. So, if on your own you now decide to patronize non-existing company, then you are on your own. But I can assure the members of the public, the insurance public, that there is no fraudulent insurance company in Nigeria again, because the industry is now well regulated by our regulator, NICOM, National Insurance Commission. So there is no hidden place for any fraudulent or non-registered insurance company to operate in Nigeria. You don't have to pay a single penny by patronizing brokers. We are the intermediary. If we give the insurance company business, they pay us commission. So for the client, it's a win-win situation if we go through brokers. Because now your broker will stay with you and ask you and select the type of policies that is suitable or that are suitable for your business or for you. You are at an advantage with that. And then this your broker will still shop around, because there are so many insurance companies in Nigeria, not necessarily looking for a cheap premium for you to pay, but the insurance company that specializes in your own type of risks. And again, based on the advice that your broker will give you after assessing your risk, then the broker will advise you properly on certain things that you should put in place to reduce your premium. Like if you take fire policy, fire and special perils, maybe for this building, your broker will advise you that there must be fire extinguishers installed in strategic area within this building, which you may not know that it is very important. And do you know that you are entitled to fire extinguisher discount if you install the fire extinguisher, which will reduce your payment? And brokers, when it comes to claim settlement, you have no stress at all. Just call your broker. Like I said, a client called me this morning from Canada. Just call your broker, because we will let you know at the issue that these are the procedures, that you follow when you want to make a claim. You call your broker, like the vehicle, you snap it, you send it. It's on my phone now, this morning. So we tell you what to do, so that you continue with your core business. Hand over the problem to the broker. You don't have to be exchanging correspondence with insurance company. Just leave that to your broker, and your broker must pursue your genuine claims assiduously until you get your claim settled. That is what is in place now in Nigeria. If Nigerians can now understand how we operate in the insurance industry now, they will take it through. Because you cannot imagine a person, a enlightened person, putting a brand new car on the road, car that has very high value, and then just with this VIO third party, that is senseless. I've seen examples abound that people will not be involved in an accident, and you're on your own. You have to spend your money to repair it, which you are just, relaxed, with peace of mind. Call your broker, inform your underwriter, and the claim will be settled. I'm working to make sure that compulsory insurances are compulsory in Nigeria. In actual fact, I'm going to work hand in hand with the National Assembly. The law is already there, but we are talking of implementation, enforcement and implementation, and there must be sanctions attached to it, and still penalties to whoever runs foul of that position of the law. Without that, it cannot work. So that is what we're planning to do. Because when you look at insurance in Nigeria and insurance in other clients, the difference, the gap is so wide. Because in other clients, insurance companies form banks, and here we are in Nigeria that our contribution to GDP is 0.3%. That is insurance penetration in Nigeria. It is very, very ridiculous. So we must make a change from that position, and we can only do that by awareness, which is what I want to concentrate on doing myself. We must let the public appreciate insurance. and know the benefits. Insurance is sold in Nigeria, not bought. But in other climes, insurance is bought. People look out for underwriters, for insurance companies. They take their risks to them. So insurance is bought there, but here insurance is sold. That is the difference. So until we get to that level in this our industry, before things have changed and all those ills will be eradicated. We are trying to position in this, because if not for the local content policy of government, we will have lost out complete on that. With the local content policy, then Nigerian companies must have a share. Not that there will be a flight of this oil and gas business completely abroad, which means we are not helping our own industry here. So, like the Dana air crash, I know that our insurance companies involved, they paid their own share of the claims. So there is no way we will now say it's better to place it 100% abroad. It's not possible, because the government has helped us with the local content policy, and that is how it's going to be. Government should even lead by example. Lead by example by making sure that government properties are also insured. And like I said earlier on, the compulsory insurances that we discussed earlier on, government should support the industry by making sure that the enforcement and the implementation is well positioned. That is when we can have the smooth stuff done in the industry.